This video will show you that sales are more than just selling a product. It's about understanding and exceeding your customers' expectations. In this training module, you'll go beyond the basics and uncover the core elements of sales success. We'll dive deep into what sales are and how to execute a killer sales process. It needs to be customer-centric, goal-oriented, clear, actionable, measurable, and much more. Want to ace your sales targets and dominate your industry? Download this training module from the link below. The training focuses on the SPANCO phases of the sales process using a powerful funnel diagram. Just for a recount, these sales skills start with identifying suspects and prospects to sealing the deal with an order. There's more. This training module is packed with valuable insights on creating a killer sales process, including in-depth discussions on goal setting, stakeholder engagement, customer journey mapping, and more. This sales process flowchart will guide you through the critical stages of lead qualification and disqualification, allowing you to streamline your efforts and focus on the most likely to convert leads. Download this presentation now to access a game-changing training resource that will help you build the best sales team in the game. For more pre-designed presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.